Here's how to make money with the GetResponse affiliate program and start generating passive income every single month. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I post content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. So just in case you don't know what GetResponse is, it's this email marketing tool that allows you to collect emails from your audience or from your traffic, and allows you to build a relationship with your traffic by allowing you to collect emails and send emails to your potential customers. There's a lot of other email marketing tools out there. There's Active Campaigns, there's Aweber, and a lot of those email marketing tools are very popular, especially among small business owners and entrepreneurs, because collecting emails is extremely important in every business today. It's like your asset, and if you can collect emails and build a long-term relationship with your customers, you will on average increase your average order value of any product that you're trying to sell to your audience. But what really sets GetResponse apart, especially from an affiliate marketing perspective, is the fact that they have a very attractive affiliate marketing program. They have actually two different programs, a recurring program and a one-time payment bounty program. And we're going to look more into details into it right now. So if you check GetResponse pricing page, you will see that they have different plans for their customers. They have a free plan, they have a basic plan, a plus plan, and a professional plan. You can choose different paying options, so monthly, 12 month, or 24 month. Obviously, if you choose a much longer paying plan, you will save more money on the long haul, but most people would most probably sign up for the monthly plan. And as you can see, their basic paying plan starts at $15, and then you get like $49 a month, and then you get about $100 a month. And the good thing is, if we check their affiliate program and we scroll down, you'll see they have two different affiliate programs. They have a recurring program where you get paid 33% commissions on every plan, and they have an affiliate bounty programs where you get $100 per sale. So both will have their advantages, obviously, but if you want to build really passive income, recurring commission is mostly what you want to go for. So for example, in this case, if you go for the 33% recurring commission, and let's say somebody signs up for the $15 a month plan, you would get paid $5 every month from that same customer as long as this customer stays. While the other program that they have, the bounty program, you would get $100 for whichever plan that your customers sign up for. So even if they sign up for the basic plan or the plus plan or the professional plan, it does not matter, you would still get $100, which is really interesting, because if somebody signs up for the $15 a month program, you still get $100, but that $100 is really a one-time payment. You won't get paid anything after that. Whereas with the 33% recurring commission plan, you would get paid 33% commission on every month as long as they stay a customer. So if they sign up for the $15 a month, you get paid $5 every month. If they sign up for the let's say $100 a month, you would get paid $33 every single month as long as they stay a customer. And it's really up to you which one you want to go for. As I've said, they both have their advantages. Most people will be tempted to go for the $100 bounty program because you get paid a huge amount of money even if they sign up for the basic plan. But the thing is, if you think of it long term, going for the recurring commission is more what you want to go for, because you get to build passive income over time. At first you might make $15 a day. If you refer 3 people a day, you might make $15 a day if they all sign up for the basic plan. And then eventually you might get to a point where you're making $30 a day or $50 a day or maybe $100 a day. And eventually you get to a point where this is totally passive income. You don't have to do anything more, and you just keep making that income every single month. So this is something to really think about when choosing one of those two different affiliate programs about GetResponse. And as far as I know, GetResponse is the only one of all the different email marketing tools out there, like Active Campaigns, Aweber, or any one of those other email marketing tools out there. GetResponse is the only one, as far as I know, that have those two different affiliate marketing programs that they offer to their affiliate marketers. So how can you go about promoting this? Well, the first thing you want to do is obviously sign up for GetResponse. Okay, if you're going to promote this tool, it's very important that you know how to use it, or you know something about it. Okay, so it will become easier for you to promote it to your potential affiliate customers. So you can spend like a few days or a few weeks playing around with the GetResponse tool, learn how to create email campaigns, learn how to create funnels, landing pages, opt-in forms. There's so many things that you can do inside of GetResponse, and my advice is that you should spend some days, also at least some few weeks, to learn how to use the tool before you start promoting it. Then obviously once you've done that, the best way to get started promoting this is to do, in my opinion at least, YouTube. YouTube has one of the best traffic sources on the planet. It's the second biggest website on the planet after Google, and the traffic is like search engine traffic, which is one of the best types of traffic out there. And you don't have to show your face doing this. You could simply create videos where you show people how to do certain things inside of GetResponse. I'm going to show you in a minute, the monthly searches for different keywords related to GetResponse, and you will see the potential that exists with this tool. But basically you can simply create different tutorials how to do certain things inside of GetResponse. You don't have to show your face. You can simply screen record your computer screen, and you can basically just pump content every single day showing people how to use GetResponse. So for example, if we go inside of my keyword research tool for YouTube, this is a feature of the vidIQ Chrome extension. You'll see that every month there are over 78,000 people searching for GetResponse on YouTube, and the competition, as you can see, is very, very low. There aren't that many people that are focusing entirely on GetResponse. And there's also GetResponse tutorial, 53,000 searches every month, very low competition as well. And GetResponse email marketing, GetResponse review, very low competition. So there's a different keywords that you could target and create content around. And as you can see, it's not a very competitive keyword. And what you want to do is you want to really focus your whole channel just about GetResponse. You don't want to create a channel and start creating content about a bunch of different things. What you want to do is you want to create a channel that is entirely about email marketing, and maybe entirely about GetResponse. You want to be the channel to go to when people are searching GetResponse on YouTube, because this is how you can really dominate this keyword on YouTube. Because if you just create content around GetResponse or email marketing, your channel will become rank very highly on YouTube, and will become the go-to place to watch those types of content. Just to show you an example of this, if you check this particular channel here, this woman here by the name of Bobby Figueroa, she has this channel where she basically posts a ton of content about this tool called Builderall. Builderall is a tool that helps you create landing pages and websites and opt-in forms, and basically her whole channel is just about promoting Builderall. And in one of her past videos, she talked about how she now makes $5,000 or $6,000, $7,000 passive income because all she did is she just promote Builderall on her channel. And this is something that you can do as well. And as you can see, she doesn't get like thousands of views or anything on her videos, but she gets enough to get affiliate commissions promoting Builderall. Here's another channel I want to show you, Web Academy, and they are not posting as much content anymore right now, but this woman here, and she used to post a lot of content about how to build websites, how to build landing pages, and each one of those videos she would promote a particular platform, whether it's Wix, whether it's Squarespace, whether it's ClickFunnels, and she would basically promote different platforms that are used to build websites, and she would create a video every single day doing this. As you can see, she was getting a few thousand views doing this, and she was being very successful with this particular method. And that's what I'm saying, this is what you should be doing. Like you want to create a YouTube channel where you focus entirely all your energy on one specific topic. You don't want to be creating different kinds of content on different kinds of stuff. Okay, you want to focus on one thing only, whether that's email marketing or whether that's to just GetResponse only. Okay, I'm gonna be really honest with you. I know this is not some BS quick way to make money online. You're not gonna make a ton of money overnight with this. This is really a very long-term project that you can start. You will make passive income if you try this method. You're not gonna make a ton of money overnight. I know this is what a lot of people look for on YouTube, but what I'm showing you is how to build a legitimate business, especially passive income business. And if you take this seriously and you remain consistent and you post content every single day, maybe more than one piece of content every day, you will eventually see amazing results doing this. One word of advice I want to share with you before I end this video is, if you choose to go with the affiliate bounty program where you get paid $100 for every sale that you make, you need to understand that you would have to wait longer to get paid the $100, and it's very important that you know that. If you read their Q&A about this, there's a place where they say that, you know, if somebody signs up for whatever plan that they have and you've chosen the bounty program, you would have to wait for at least 60 days before you get the $100 commission. And it's actually more than that, because most people will sign up for their free trial, and then maybe after 1 month of trying the program, they will then get the paid membership. So in total, you might have to wait like up to 90 days before you get your $100 commission. So this is something to keep in mind if you decide to go with the affiliate bounty program when promoting GetResponse. There you go, guys. I hope you've liked what I've shown you in this video, and don't forget to give this video a like. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because I post content every single day and I have more quality content like this to post. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.